In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Perplexity AI. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now to get started, go ahead and open any browser and just search Perplexity, just like that. And under the search results, go ahead and choose this website, perplexity.ai. If you click on this, you'll have an option here to create your own account. So go ahead and sign in. And here you can just do so on your Google account, and I'm already signed into my account here. From now, you can now begin asking any question and Perplexity will go ahead and give you a response. So now that you are signed in, you will see your email logo here with the name account. Now to get started, go ahead and just click on this box, and here you'll have suggestion for questions that you can ask. And the good thing is this acts like a search engine that helps you think ahead. If you have any question, go ahead and just enter here, and to search or generate your results, go ahead and click on this arrow or just hit enter on your keyboard, and Perplexity will go ahead and give you a response within no time. The good thing is Perplexity is so fast, and therefore you should get results within some few seconds. Now to start a new chat, go ahead and click on plus here, and this will give you a new chat where you can generate a whole new chat. To find your previous generations, just go to library, and from library, go ahead and choose your article that you wish. From here, you'll see you have your previous generations, and you can go ahead and choose from any. So I'll go ahead and choose on the first one, and this will take me back to the question that I asked. So that's how you can get started with Perplexity by following these simple instructions. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.